In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We want to achieve certain things in the life. These certain things are our desire as well as our need. Our needs first, our desires then. Although the need might not be that much, usually the need is very little, but the desire is too much. We want to have good health, okay, that is fine. We want to be wealthy, wealth is good, provided it is earned, it is earned in a legitimate manner and spent on the good deeds, good right things as well. So money is good. Then comes our family. Obviously family is important. Then comes our relationship with the people in the society, our interaction with the society, the kind of position, the kind of status we are holding in the society. May call it a social status, you know. So this is so. By the way, where is deendari? I mean, where is being an obedient slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? That is maybe something more important than anything else. But we will come to realize this thing once we are no more. Once we are not living here on the surface of the earth, once we do go beneath the earth, beneath the surface of the earth. So there are certain things which becomes the base of all these things, which become the base of good health, which becomes the base of the good financial position, which becomes the base of the good family life, which becomes the base of the good social status, social interaction. So these are the things actually. These are the things. These are the things, certain things which becomes the base of all these things, all the worldly achievements we want to achieve. Certain things which becomes the base. What are those certain things? First of all, I mean it is according to me. You might have a different set of things, and I won't disagree with that. The purpose is not to actually to squabble or to argue what are the basic things, but whatever the basic things are in your opinion, whatever qualities and whatever things becomes the base of all the good achievement in the during this life, whatever these things are in your opinion, I think that we must be looking upon those things. We must be very sensitive. We must sensitize ourselves about those things. In my opinion, those things are that we need to unclutter our mind first of all. We need to utilize our mind in a slightly organized manner first of all. Number two, we need to become positive. The more positivity, the better it is. The more positivity, the better it is. And the thirdly, we need to become a person of self control, a good, very, very good self control, a very good self discipline. Then the last, we need to become, actually we need to learn the skills. We need to learn the skills of handling the people. We need to have the knowledge. We need to have the informations about how to handle and manage the people. The first three things, I said that uncluttered mind, the positive thinking, the more and more positive thinking, the self control and more self control. The three of these things are about how should we handle ourselves. And then the fourth thing, how to handle the other people, how to manage the other people. I think these four things become the base of every good achievement. So I think it is very important, it is incumbent, it is something very necessary and essential to be very sensitive about these four things. Why am I asking, why am I saying that we need to sensitize about these four things? Because these are the four things, in my opinion, which becomes the base of all the good achievements in the life. You have every right to have a different set of the basic thing. I'm not going to disagree with you. I'm not going to squabble or argue with you over that. But whatever the basic things are in your mind, in your according to your opinion, whatever the basic things are, we need to become very sensitive about these basic things. Because the more sensitive we become, because the more more sensitized we become about the basic things, I think achieving the rest of the things becomes easy and even automatic. You'll be surprised. So never compromise upon the basic things, and we should be constantly gauging ourselves. We should be constantly measuring ourselves. What is my position as for the basic things, as for the action, as for the acting upon, as for the practice of, as for the internalization, as for the practice of these basic things are concerned. Where do I stand? Where do I stand? What is my position? What is my position? This. And we need to grow, we need to develop, we need to become better and better, at least a percent on 1% on daily basis, at least 1% on daily basis. We must keep developing and growing in this respect. We must not compromise as far these basic things are concerned. If at all we succeed, I think, in achieving these things, I think it will become automatic that we will achieve the rest of the things, and the rest of the things, the achievement of the rest of the things will become automatic. Achievements of the rest of the things will become automatic. It is so. What do you think? Thank you. Jazakallah.